everyone, welcome to another video of mine. I'm Madhvi, your complete lifestyle coach, and today I'm going to talk about a little bit serious topic which is a taboo. Many people don't want to talk about this, many people are a lot of hush about it. I want to talk about periods. Women undergo a menstrual cycle every month, and that has been made such a big taboo. Nobody wants to talk about it, nobody wants to openly discuss about it, but it is a part and parcel of our life. It is a natural process given by nature. Now, when it comes to these taboo topics, there is another taboo topic: sex. Many of my clients don't want to talk openly about it. Many of my clients don't want to open up and speak about it, but that has been a major issue in our society. Many people do not understand that this is also a natural process that has been given by nature. Why don't we just consider it that way and take it forward? Can't we just respect our bodies? Can't we just love our bodies? I speak a lot about self-love, self-worth, self-respect. This is another area where we need to start giving self-love and self-respect to ourselves. Why don't we discuss openly about this? Let it be in front of women or men. Soon it will become a common topic like all the other topics. And no longer will women feel restricted or women feel that discomfort in front of others. No longer will women have to restrict themselves in any way. And many men feel very uncomfortable discussing about all this. But this is a natural process that they also need to just acknowledge. If they start discussing it openly, then just imagine how wonderful our society will be. Imagine how wonderful you will start loving yourself. How wonderfully you will start loving yourself. We don't have to talk about it in a bad way or in a rude way or in a cheap way. We need to talk about it in a respectful way. Yes, I got my periods this month. Yes, sex is a natural discussion in front of everyone. When we keep this as a natural discussion, automatically we understand how much we respect ourselves and how much we love ourselves. And we learn to respect others and the other sex also. Think about it. Every time you want to have a taboo discussion, there is a lot of discomfort among people. People get up and go away. People don't openly speak. But it is a situation, it has become a huge situation in our society. And we need to start respecting ourselves and our bodies by talking about these topics openly. Let me tell you a story. There are these islands called Solomon Islands. If you have heard of it, great. If you haven't, let me just continue. In these islands, the tribals that live over there, they don't cut the trees. They make a group, stand around the tree, and they start abusing the tree. They start saying bad words to the tree. They start putting it down, discriminating it, abusing it with all the bad language possible. You know what happens after 3-4 days? The tree dies on its own. After that, they cut down the tree and use it. That is what we are doing to ourselves and our bodies. If we just show a little bit of respect and a little bit of love by talking about these taboo topics openly, then automatically the tree of our life will grow. We are killing it from within. We are killing ourselves from within by hiding all these things. Imagine when you speak openly and confidently about all this, how beautifully the tree of our life grows and how people all around us also grow. This is something we need to start focusing on. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this topic. What do you think when it comes to these kind of discussions in your friend circle, in your family circle? Stay tuned for more videos like this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. See my website, that is Madhvi Lifestyle Coach, and follow me and let me know what your idea about these taboo topics are. That's all from me, Madhvi, your complete lifestyle coach, signing off for now. Bye-bye.